Hello everybody. A very beautiful and charming good afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm Unstoppable. I'm a student of HEA, and today I'm here to tell you about the GK competition of our academy. So guys, it's going to be really awesome. So get ready and hold your heart with your both hands because this is really important. I'm going to tell you about the GK competition which is organized by your academy HEA. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, let me tell you that every year GK competition is organized by your academy in the month of September. Through this competition, 1050 students are selected in 4 grades A, B, C and D. Now, out of those students, 150 students are selected in A grade, 300 students are selected in B grade, 300 students are selected in C grade and similarly 300 students are selected in D grade. Actually, these students, they are selected on the basis of their merit list. Those students who get A grade, they are given 100% discount in their fee. B grade students, they are given 60% discount in their fee. Sorry for 20%. And especially if I talk about C grade students, so they are given that is quite sure, 50% discount in their fee. And last but not the least, if I talk about D grade students, so they are given 40% discount in their fee. At last, there are some students they don't get any grade. So what about them? So don't worry. We have thought about them as well, especially those students who don't get any grade. So they are also given 20% discount in their fee. Okay, now let's talk about the registration and exam. So at the time of registration, a booklet is given to the students, and there are so many questions in the booklet. In the exam, mainly 50 questions are asked, and all the questions are asked through the booklet only. And 30 minutes are given to solve those 50 questions in the exam. At last, after the 7 days of the exam, the result of the exam is declared. And if anybody has any query, that person can contact us at our academy. That's all. Thank you very much.
Hello guys, good morning. My name is Srishti Misra. I am a student of HEA. Today I want to tell you about a GK competition of our academy by using the passive verb past simple tense. Last year a GK competition was organized by our academy in the month of September. Through this competition, 1050 students were selected in 4 grades A, B, C and D. 150 students were selected in A grade, 300 students were selected in B grade, 300 students were selected in C grade. Similarly, 300 students were selected in D grade. Those who got A grade, 100% discount was given to them. Those who got B grade, 60% discount was given to them. Those who got C grade, 50% discount was given to them. Those who got D grade, 40% discount was given to them. And those who didn't get any grade, 20% discount was also given to them. A booklet was provided at the time of registration for the preparation of the exam. 50 questions were asked in the exams. All the questions were asked through the booklet. 30 minutes were given to solve all questions. Students were selected on the basis of merit list and result was declared after the 1 week of the exam. That's all.
Hello guys, good afternoon. I am Shivani, student of HEA. Today I am going to speak about GK competition of our academy by using the passive of future simple tense. Every year a GK competition will be organized by our academy in the month of September. Through this competition, 1050 students will be selected in 4 grades A, B, C and D. 150 students will be selected in A grade, 300 students will be selected in B grade, 300 students will be selected in C grade and similarly 300 students will be selected in D grade. For A grade students, 100% discount will be given. For B grade students, 60% discount will be given. For C grade students, 50% discount will be given. For D grade students, 40% discount will be given. For no grade students, 20% discount will be also given. So now we are talk about the registration process. So a booklet will be provided for the preparation of the exam at the time of registration. 50 questions will be asked through the given booklet. All questions will be based on MCQ. 30 minutes will be given to solve all the questions. And the students will be selected on the basis of merit list. The result of the exam will be declared after the 1 week of the exam. So if you are interested, so you can contact us and fill up your form and hurry up because seats are limited. Thank you very much.